Hello, sports fans! Do you know every stat of your favorite team, watch every game, and maybe even play the sport yourself? If you're a super fan, then naming your new dog after your favorite sport sounds like the perfect fit. In this video, we go over 200 plus potential dog name ideas from the great sports of baseball, hockey, football, golf, soccer, and basketball. You'll find inspiration from winning team names, famous players' nicknames, and sports jargon. So get your jersey on, strap up your laces, and get ready to find the perfect sports-inspired name for your new furry friend. Up first, baseball-inspired dog names. Do you love to grab your popcorn and Cracker Jacks and watch every inning of your favorite baseball team? Well, then drawing inspiration from baseball terminology, standout players, and popular winning teams may be the perfect idea for your new dog's name. Check out some of these names to see if they qualify as a home run. Ace, Angel, Astro, Babe, Base, Umpire, Bow, Cannon, Cardinal, Catch, Champ, Chipper, Curveball, Diamond, Dinger, Dodger, Ernie, Fastball, Fenway, Fielder, Griff or Griffey, Hank, Hitter, Jack, Jackie, Jay, Lefty, Mate, Meatball, Oriole, Outfielder, Peanut, Philly, Pirate, Pitcher, Ranger, Ribby, Rookie, Royal, Ruth, Satchel, Shorty, Slider, Slugger, Socks, Wally, Wrigley, Yankee, Yogi, Mickey, Lou, Barry. If you like the video so far, make sure to subscribe to our channel to stay up to date with our weekly name videos. Hockey-inspired dog names. Are you obsessed with the rush that comes from watching your favorite team score on the ice? From power plays to hat tricks, the penalty box, and cheering fans, the game of hockey is one of extreme excitement. Why not choose a hockey-inspired name for your new furry mascot? Coach, Bobby, Captain, Chara, Clapper, Crosby, Cujo, Dangles, Dale, Goal, Goalie, Goon, Gordy, Gretzky, Gump, Hammer, Hawk, Jet, Jumbo, Kessler, Lafleur, Lumber, Mario, Mitts, Moose, Roadrunner, Stripes, Theodore, Twig, Zamboni. Up next, football-inspired dog names. Are your Sunday afternoons reserved for all things football? If you love the thrill of the game, screaming during a touchdown, and doing your own happy dance, well then we think a football-inspired name will be a great option for your new puppy. Check out some of these options. Barry, Bear, Bill, Blitz, Blue, Brady, Brett, Bronco, Buck, Bud, Butkus, Cam, Charger, Chief, Colt, Dion, Emmett, Goat, Hike, Jet, Lincoln, Manning, Packer, Peyton, QB, Raider, Raven, Red, Reggie, Rice, Rose, Soldier, Steeler, Titan, Tom, Wild, Wilson, Zone. Golf-inspired dog names. Do you picture yourself snuggling up on the couch with your little pup as you watch Tiger Woods at the Masters tournament? If so, then you'll love these golf-inspired dog names inspired by all things golf. Mulligan, Eagle, Birdie, Bogey, Chip, Ryder, Taylor, Callie, Caddy, Clubby, Wedge, Daly, Tiger or Woods, Ace, Happy, Augusta, Stinger, Jack, Palmer, Bubba, Phil, Arnie. If you like what you see so far, subscribe and give us a like. Hit the notification bell so you're notified anytime we upload. Soccer-inspired dog names. From Manchester to Chelsea, Arsenal to Liverpool, soccer fans are very dedicated to supporting their teams in the good and bad, just how you will give the utmost care and attention to your new dog. If you're a soccer fan, check out some of these names ideas for your new puppy. Pele, Milan, Manchester, Rooney, Skipper, Keeper, Striker, Jersey, Arsenal, Ronaldo, Diego, Bex or Beckham, Messi, Chelsea, Mia, Abby, Marta. Basketball-inspired dog names. From three-pointers to foul shots, crowds cheering to jump shots, the game of basketball is strategic and ever so exciting. If you are the fan of some good old b-ball and you need a name for your new pup, find some inspiration from this list of all things NBA. Barkley, Big Man, Bird, Blaze, Buck, Bull, Buzz, Cherry, Dagger, Dish, Duncan, Dunk, Dribble, Gunner, Grizzly, Harden, Hawk, Hook, Jab, Jazz, Jordan, Kareem, King, Kobe, Lake, Magic, Maverick, Nikki, Nugget, Philly, Raptor, Rim, Rocky, Shack, Spur, Sun, Swish, Thunder, Try, Warrior, West, Wilt, Wolf. That's all, sports fans. We hope you scored this video a 10 out of 10. We would love for you to let us know your favorite name in the comments section. Are you still stumped on a name for your new puppy? Check out this video where we go over 250 unisex names for your dog. You're sure to find a keeper here. Thanks for watching. If you're new to our channel and you like it, please subscribe.